Hello dear students, I welcome you for the lecture number 3 on Hammett linear free energy relationship. In last lecture we have discussed about the substituent constant. The substituent constant is denoted by the sigma x and it may be positive or it may be negative. The positive value of substituent constant indicate that substituent is having strong electron withdrawing effect, and negative value of substituent constant indicate that substituent is having the strong electron donating effect. In this lecture in this lecture we will discuss about the reaction constant. In this lecture we will discuss about the reaction constant, which is denoted by the rho, now the rho can be regarded as a measure of susceptibility of reaction to the electron donating or electron withdrawing effect exerted by substituent x. Now this rho is nothing but the slope. Now this rho is nothing but the slope of the straight line. Slope of the straight line. For any particular kind of reaction, this reaction constant, the value of reaction constant is constant at constant temperature. At constant temperature, this value of reaction constant also remain constant for the particular type of reaction. So this again, this rho value is also a numerical value, and it may have the positive sign of rho value or it may have the negative sign of rho value. The positive sign of rho value indicates that the electrons are coming towards the electron center. Electrons are coming towards the uh, reaction center, and negative sign of reaction center indicates that the electrons are going away from the reaction center. So let's have an example. First reaction I am writing over here. Aniline is here. Now here this is reaction constant. Aromatic amine is considered as a reaction constant, and in this reaction the lone pair of this aniline is going away from the reaction center, and by addition elimination mechanism we have a product. We have a substituted product. The mechanism of this reaction is simple: addition and then elimination of leaving group. Addition of nucleophile followed by the elimination of leaving group. So in this reaction, the reaction center is aromatic amine, and during reaction, electron density from the reaction center is going away from the reaction center, and therefore the sign of rho value, that is sign of reaction constant for this reaction is negative is negative. And if we consider the this carbon as a reaction center, that is where the reaction is taking place. Why this carbon? Because the reaction is taking place on this carbon, and if we consider this carbon as a reaction center, then for this the rho value must be positive, as at this reaction center electron density is coming during the reaction. So in this way we can we can study the all the reaction. The second number of reaction is reaction of aromatic amine with benzoyl chloride. Here also, this, if we consider aromatic amine as a reaction center, then for this for this nitrogen of this aromatic amine, the rho value must be negative, that is minus 2.69, as the will electron density is going away from the reaction center. So in this way the any reaction in which the electron density is going away from the reaction center, for that particular reaction or for that particular reaction center, the rho value must be negative. At the same time, if the any reaction in which the electron density, if the electron density during reaction, if the electron density is coming towards the reaction center, in that case the value for that reaction or for that reaction center, the rho value must be positive. The rho value must be positive. Now here, the magnitude of rho value, we will consider the magnitude of rho value. Here the rho value for the first reaction is minus 3.19, which is more than the value of reaction constant for the second reaction, that is benzolation of aromatic amine. So the reason for this is, this electrophilic carbon is having less positive character, and therefore the more electron density is required to attack over here and to depart this chlorine group, if we compare this to benzylation of amine. I am writing over here. In this reaction, in second reaction, this is your first reaction. In this reaction, the lone pair of aromatic amine easily displaces this chlorine atom, and less electron density is consumed or less electron density is required for this departure of leaving group, and therefore the rho value is negative, but the magnitude of rho value is less than the magnitude of the rho value of first reaction, which is minus 3.19. So if the more energy is or more electron density is consumed or more electron density is going away from the reaction center, as the more electron density is going away from the reaction center, it will have the more value of reaction constant. Here comparatively less amount of electron density is going away from the reaction center, and therefore this reaction, the aromatic amine is having is rho value is equal to minus 2.69. Similarly, if we consider the any reaction with positive rho value, here Here we will consider the ionization of benzoic acid and ionization of phenol. So ionization of benzoic acid, the value of ionization of benzoic acid, rho value of ionization of benzoic acid is 1, and rho value for the ionization constant of the um, ionization of the phenoxide anion is plus 2.01. So I am writing here. I am writing both reaction here. This is your X. This is your X. Substituent constant. This is your substituted phenol. In both cases, simply ionization is taking place. Simply ionization is taking place. But the rho value for the first reaction is considered as 1, as that is standard reaction, and the rho value for the second reaction is 2.01. So why the rho value for the second reaction is more than the first reaction? So here the X group exerting exerting more polar effect in stabilizing this negative charge in negative charge, while this X is having comparatively less stabilizing effect or less destabilizing effect for this conjugate anion. So more will be the polar effect exerted by substituent, more will be the rho value, more will be the rho value. So you can have this statement. The rho value can be regarded as a measure of susceptibility of a reaction. More is the susceptibility towards the electron donating or electron withdrawing effect. More will be the rho value. Less is the susceptibility of a reaction towards the electron donating or electron withdrawing effect. Then it will have the small rho value. Let's have another reaction or another example. Now, if we consider the ionization of benzoic acid, this is X, this is substituent at meta or pyrimidine. And if we introduce one of the CH2 group, if we introduce, oh, sorry, let me correct. Now, if we consider the both ionization reaction, so in the first ionization reaction, this X group is exerting more effect in stabilizing this carboxylate anion. While in second reaction, this X group exert a very less or poor effect in stabilizing this conjugate anion, in stabilizing of this anion, as there is a introduction of the CH2 group. There is a introduction of CH2 group which interrupt the conjugation or delocalization, and therefore in this second reaction the rho value for this first reaction is 1.0 and for this reaction is 0.5. Means it indicate that this rho value clearly indicate that this reaction this second reaction is less susceptible towards the electron donating or withdrawing effect exerted by this substituent. In third reaction, in third reaction, the introduction of two CH2 group between this carboxylic group and this benzene or aryl group. Now this substituent is far away and then this reaction center where reaction is taking place, and therefore this X is having uh, very small or very less effect in stabilizing this carboxylate anion which is formed after dissociation. So this X and this carboxylic anion is now very far away from each other. It's far away from each other, and therefore we can say that this X is having very negligible effect in stabilizing this carboxylic anion. Or you can say that this X group is having uh, no role. Role of this X group is zero in stabilization of this conjugate anion, and therefore the rho value for this is very small, that is 0.21, 0.21. So again I am repeating that the rho value for the similar reaction would decreases as the reaction center is moved further away from the substituent that are exerting the polar effect or electronic effect upon it. In short, or in simple language, we can say that if this X substituent is having major role in stabilizing the substituent, then it will have more value of reaction constant. And if the any substituent is having the significant effect in stabilizing the intermediate in stabilizing the intermediate, then it will have a large or moderate rho value. And if the X is having very small effect in stabilizing the intermediate, then it will have the very small value of rho value. It will have the very small value of rho value, and therefore we use this statement that the rho value is nothing but the numerical value which is the measure of susceptibility of reaction towards the electron donating or electron withdrawing effect by the substituent X. Measure of susceptibility of reaction. Here this X group or effect of this reaction is susceptible to the polar effect exerted by substituent, while the second reaction is less susceptible, as this due to the introduction of this CH2 group, this X group is having less or weak effect in stabilizing this conjugate anion. So susceptibility for this second reaction is decreases, and for third reaction, as we introduce the 2CH2 group, the susceptibility is now almost zero. Susceptibility of this reaction centered towards this X is almost zero, and therefore the rho value is very small, that is rho is equal to 0.21. Thank you.